Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix app icon not turning dark in dark mode in iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down. Yeah, so this is dark and dark mode icon, dark mode off, dark mode on. So click on any app, edit home screen. Now click on edit, customize. You will select dark, light, click on always. You will see your home screen is edit dark screen. So that's how you can fix app icon not turning dark in dark mode in iPhone 17 Pro Max. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.